want to own the well tail, check out this property. It's 12 acres, multiple building sites, water and electricity, surrounded by green, lush jungle and river. This is one of the only properties available now in the market. It's beautiful, can be as a hotel or multiple family compounds, big common area and few pools. This property has multiple building sites and it's just 7 minutes away from downtown Uvita, where the national park is, with all the hospital, clinicals, dental and supermarkets. This property can be yours. This property has an amazing view. It has 360 degrees views where you can see ocean front and jungle all around year, with amazing breezes and higher, cooler climate. What it's better for you because you will be more fresh and spicy. In this beautiful 12-acre land, you are right in front of the whale's tails view. You can see the whales here on whale season. You can see Osa Peninsula, you can see Cano Island, you can see River Morete, and you can see 3 sister islands. Everything included with cooler weathers and a luxury panoramic views all around in this Pura Vida Uvita lifestyle. Contact us, Spicy Life Real Estate, Community and Purpose.